We went to the food truck festival at Woodbine Park for the third year in a row. I ordered from Tea.Nonsense and got the spicy stuffed lamb roti. It came with 2 pieces of lamb roti and a side of spinach salad. The tangerines seemed like a bizarre combination at first, but it actually went really well together. The lamb had a ton of flavor and the consistency of a beef patty. The sauce topping it really brought everything together. Alexa ordered from Arepa Republic. She got the steak arepa, and as you can see, it was topped with a ton of shredded cheese. There was also a lot of meat under the cheese, which had a pulled steak consistency. Kathy and Maggie got a watermelon slush, which came in the shell. They also shared a burger, which was topped with a ton of lettuce. Unfortunately, it started pouring after they got their food, so I couldn't get a shot of the trucks they ordered from. The last thing they got was a classic poutine. Overall, I was hoping to try a few other things at the festival. However, it started raining heavily, which was ironic because during our first year of the festival, it also poured. Anyways, that was the end of today's video. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos.